Hello and welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Ben and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this Kawasaki Z125, and you probably already guessed, it's a 125cc single cylinder learner legal machine that makes about 11 or 12 brake horsepower. This particular one's a 2021 model and it's covered about 1100 miles from new. It's in really nice condition with a few nice aftermarket accessories which I'll try and point out as we go. So being 1100 miles old, as you can imagine, cosmetically it's in really nice condition. There's no major drops, bangs or scrapes. Cosmetically it's really nice and clean. Starting at the front, we've got 17-inch wheels. They're these lightweight forged looking wheels. Just a single wavy disc on these bikes. They don't need twin discs. They're very, very light, don't need the extra weight and braking power. Just a two-pot or a four-pot, caliper on the front, and it is an ABS model as well. It's got the Z styling, as you would see on the bigger cousin, the Z650. It looks really cool, very angular. This nice sort of metallic green and silver frame really sets it off. It's got a little belly pan on it, a standard as well, as you can see on the bottom there, which serves a purpose. It helps to protect the exhaust. The exhaust is an aftermarket Black Widow. It's a shorter 200mm sleeve, so it is a little bit louder with a carbon end cap. Sounds really nice, just unleashes a little bit of that sound from the single cylinder engine. Does come with standard parts as well if you wanted to refit them, but does look and sound very, very nice. Cosmetically on this side, as you can see, there's no drops, bangs or scrapes. It's been well loved and looked after, as you'd expect for a bike that's covered very few miles. Other than the exhaust, everything else on this side is completely standard. It's a good bike if you're new to biking, relatively low seat height, nice relaxed riding position, keeps your back straight, nice and comfortable if you're new to biking. Bike comes with bar end mirrors, does also come with the standard mirrors if you wanted to put those back on. It's more of a cosmetic thing than anything else, but we could refit the standard mirrors if you wanted. On this side, it's very much the same. Cosmetically, again, no major marks or scratches. Of course, it is a used bike, so there might be a few signs of wear and tear here and there, but generally on the whole, the bike is in really, really nice condition. Things like tyres, chain, brakes, all that stuff is checked during our pre-delivery inspection, and if we found anything, we would obviously put it right before the bike goes out. But a bike this new, shouldn't expect to find anything at all. Bike comes with 2 keys, original owner's manual, service history, etc. The bike will have a service before it goes out as well. Fully digital dash on these, gives you all the information that you would expect. Got a fuel gauge up the side here, you've got your speed, rev counter across the top. There's the mileage there, 1118 miles. And then obviously you've got a clock as well. Let's give her a start up for you so you can have a listen. Your neighbours will definitely thank you for that at 7 o'clock in the morning when you first start it up. It does sound very, very cool though. It certainly reduces the weight of the bike substantially. All of our bikes come with free UK delivery. It also comes with a 3-month warranty from us and the remainder of Kawasaki's warranty. We do offer finance and we offer part exchange, so if those are things that you're interested in or you've got any general questions about the bike, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, we've got all the social medias. You can give us a call and we'll do our best to answer any questions that you've got, or equally you can pop into the showroom and try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.